Seventh problem, evaluate what he has given. Determinant of x plus 1, x minus 1, x. So he has asked to determine the determinant of this value. Okay, solution. So given data, mention that given data, so that determinant whatever he has given, you can take delta is equals to determinant of what he has given, x plus 1, next is x minus 1, x. So just you do the multiplication along this diagonal and then minus multiplication along this diagonal. Okay, so then it is going to come out as, so do that multiplication here, x into x, x square, minus of, you can put bigger bracket here, this x minus 1 into x plus 1, that is x minus 1 into x plus 1. It is similar to a minus b, a plus b, then it is a square minus b square, in that way. So that is x square as it is, you can multiply that minus as it is here. So this a minus b, a plus b, then it is a square minus b square. In the same fashion it is x square minus 1. Okay, just open that bracket now, that is x square minus x square, so minus of minus 1 plus 1. Okay, then this x square will get cancelled, then remaining it is what it is, just it is going to come out as 1. This is the delta, determinant of this value is 1 it is. Okay, next you can take the 8th problem. So take it as 8th one, and on that you can write as Q4. Usually 4th question in main exam it is going to get appear. So if that determinant of what he has given, x 2, next is 3x, which is equals to determinant of x 2, next minus 3 minus x. Then what he has asked, find the value of x, find the value of x. For this he has asked to find out the value of x. So in the same fashion just you go on, do the determinant here and equals to this determinant, simplify, then you are going to get the x value. So let us solve that. Solution, mention the given data clearly, given data. So he has given, that is determinant of what he has given, x2, next 3x, which is equals to, that is x2, next is minus 3 minus x. So you do the determinant here calculation, x into x, that is x square, minus 3 into 2, 6, which is equals to x into minus x, minus x square, next minus 3 into 2, minus 6, minus on this side, that is a plus. It is, while taking on this side you are going to take it as a minus, so minus of that, and then minus 3 into 2, minus 6, minus plus. So then what you have to do, just minus, you can shift it on this side, minus this x square as it is, minus x square, if you shift on this side, plus x square. Next minus 6 you shift on this side, already this plus 6 is there, and then if you shift this minus 6 on this side, then it is plus 6. This x square plus x square is 2x square, which is equals to 6 plus 6, 12. Next so x square implies that x square is equals to 12 by 2, then 2 ones are 2 6. So then it is going to come out as x square is equals to 6. x square is equals to 6. Therefore what we shall find out? X value, that is plus or minus root 6. Similarly you can proceed the ninth problem also. So let us have about that. Here ninth problem, that also be usually going to appear as a fourth question in main examination. So that if determinant, what he has given, x 8, next is 8x, which is equals to what he has given, another determinant 2 8, next is 8 2. Okay, then he has asked to find the value of x. Find the values of x. Find the values of x. Okay, in the similar fashion how we have solved in previous problem, in the same way you can extend the solution of this solution. So mention the given data clearly. So whatever determinants he has given, write it clearly here, that he has given determinant of x 8, next is 8x, okay, which is equals to determinant of 2 8, next is 8 2. Okay na? So then just you can do the determinant in the similar fashion. So this x into x, that is x square, minus that 8 into 8, what it is, so minus 64, which is equals to 2 into 2, that is 4, minus 8 into 8, 64. Okay, so directly you can cancel here this 64 and then minus 64 and this minus 64, or else you can do the simplification also by taking this minus 64, and then if you subtract that, this is going to come out as a 60. However, you can do the simplification, that is minus 64 and this minus 64, it is going to get cancelled, implies that x square is equals to what is remaining here, 4. Okay, then therefore x is equals to plus or minus root of 4. Then you can open that square root, then it is going to come out as x is equals to plus or minus 2. Okay.